torcer langit Aruga sumto partalin Puro runuang kadin asin Dulay ni hereno Loving Puro runuang kadin asin. Okay, hello Mizo people, peace from Africa. So today we are back again and it's gonna be my first time reacting to Ramengmawia. Hope I pronounced the name correctly. We have the music title is Tein, your iconic 2024 top 4. We are going to check this guy out, guys. So far I've been reacting to RSA, Taitea. Yeah, so today is my first time to check Ramengmawia. So let's go and see his talent, guys. Let's start, and don't forget, yes, you know what I mean. First, thank you all guys for the support, and if you are not yet part of this 100k subscribers, kindly join now. This channel is mostly for the Nordics, reaction video and vlogs. Love from Africa. Let's go. Tein. What does it mean, guys? The meaning of Tein. Tell me the meaning and let's sing.
Shared loving is somewhere healing. Utunin kasam Mangay biyak katsam dirte Maria Mawin Lumay hatian Turenday shared
Loving.
Shared loving Ilim kazuin Tutunin kasam Jangan enten kabay dirte lungo Kater topa Lai shared loving Mindempun kay song torce langit Aruga sumwa partalin Puro kuntuam
Kadin asin.
Lai shared loving
Kadin asin. What does it mean? Kadin asin. I loving. Summer healing. Udumay kasam.
Mangay biyak dirte Maria Mawin Lumlay ng kiyang Lai shared loving
Shared loving.
Ilim kazuin
Tutunin kasam.
Jangan enten kabay dirte lungo Kater topa Lai shared loving Mindempun kay song torcer langit Aruga sumto partalin Puro runuang kadin asin
Dulay ni
Lai shared
loving.
Puro runuang kadin asin Lai shared loving
Woo! I love this one. I love this. The last part. I love this one. I love this song. Woo! I love this one. Buru run. It's like buru run nam kadin asin. What does it mean? Buru run nam kadin asin. Wow. Let's sing it together. The last part. Okay. I love this part. Buru runam kadin asin. Kadin asin. What does it mean? I love this. Is the only best part. I also love it here. Tell me the meaning, guys. It's my first time reacting to Ramengmawia. What iconic voice, bro. He looks so young, first of all, and you know, he sounds so energetic. Like, oh my gosh. I think most of the people who participated in this Youth Iconic 224, guys, they are the best musician for sure. They are the best, or else they will not be contesting there, guys. Like, I found out that they are so great, so unique, and oh my gosh, when it comes to the sound, the vocal, oh my god, it's so vocal is so amazing, so unique, guys. This guy also has little similarity to Taitea, guys. The Ramengmawia. I think he shares some similarity with this guy when it comes to the music talent. Yeah, this was really amazing. You can tell me what does it mean by Arok 10. I also tried to sing with him. Yeah, I try to sing, guys. From today, whenever I'm reacting to music song, I also want to sing. I also want to try my best to catch some words. Yeah, maybe soon I will come to Mizoram and Nagaland, because previously also I've been to Shillong, Meghalaya, and I enjoy my trip. You can go and watch out the vlogs of me in Northeast Assam. Also, I've been there, guys. So love you all. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, share this music video to this guy. Let him hear my review as African, guys. I love music, and I'm really so happy to promote this music to all the Northeast people, guys. So love from Africa. Till next time, love you all.